In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get B ADJ on TradingView. If you trade futures and analyze long-term price action, the B ADJ toggle is a simple but powerful feature. It stands for back adjustment, and it smooths out historical gaps that appear when futures contracts roll from one month to the next. Turning it on helps you see cleaner trends, avoid misleading gaps, and run more consistent backtests on continuous data. First, make sure your chart is showing a continuous futures contract. This is key because the B ADJ option only appears on continuous futures series, not on individual contract months. In practical terms, you want the chart set to a continuous version of symbols like ES, NQ, or CL. If you're looking at a specific expiration, such as a particular month and year, the B ADJ option won't be available. Switch to the continuous version so your data links together across rolls, giving you one uninterrupted history. Once you're on a continuous futures chart, take a look at the bottom of the TradingView window. You should see a small label or button that says B ADJ. It lives on the status bar beneath your chart and only shows up when a continuous futures series is active. Think of it as a simple on-off switch for price back adjustment. Now click the B ADJ button to turn on back adjustment. When it's enabled, TradingView adjusts historical prices to remove artificial gaps caused by contract changes. Your chart will look smoother across roll dates, indicators will align more consistently, and you'll avoid false signals triggered purely by the changeover from one contract to the next. If you toggle it off again, you'll see the raw, unadjusted history with visible gaps where each rollover occurred. A quick tip: if you don't see the B ADJ button, it usually means you're not on a continuous futures chart, or you're viewing a non-futures symbol. Double-check that you're using the continuous version of ES, NQ, CL, or whichever futures market you're analyzing. Also remember that back adjustment changes historical prices for analysis and charting only. It doesn't affect live market prices or your broker's fills. Use it to improve the quality of your studies, but stay aware of the adjustment if you're comparing your chart to cash indexes or non-adjusted data. That's all there is to it. Confirm you're on a continuous futures contract, look for the B ADJ label at the bottom of the chart, and click it to enable back adjustment. With that set, your futures charts will be cleaner, clearer, and easier to trust.